Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, so today I am going to start sum number 11 from the chapter Logarithms, exercise 9.2 from the book of M.L. Agarwal. For the previous part, please check the description box. So here, sum number 11. In sum number 11, 3 log 5 minus log 3 minus log 5 minus 2 log 6 that equal to 2 minus log n. Now you have to find out the value of that n. So here 3 log 5 minus log 3, that means that equal to 3 log 5 if 3 multiply with this one, and it will be 3 log 3. Here log 5 and that will be log 6 square. Okay, and here 2. Now 2 means 2 into 1. 2 means 2 into 1, and instead of 1 you can write down here log 10, as the value of log 10 equal to 1. Then minus log n. So that equal to log 5 to the power 3 log 3 to the power 3. So here minus log 5 plus log 36, and that equal to log 10 to the power 2 minus log n. Okay, so now here log 5 to the power cube. Okay, 5 cube means 125. Then log 3 to the power 3 means 27. It's log 5, and that one log 36. So that equal to log 100 minus log n. Now write log. So here 125 as positive. So here 27 negative, write in denominator. 5 also negative in denominator. 36 positive, so in numerator. Here also log, it's 100 by n. Then log will be cancel out, 25. So here 100 by n, that equal to 25 into 36 by 27. Okay, now here 39 4. So it's also 4. Now 4 you can cancel out. Now cross multiply. So here n equal to 3. Okay, that means the final value of n that equal to 3. Next, sum number 12. Log 10y plus 2 log 10x that equal to 2. Now here express y in terms of x. So here first one log 10y. Okay, and 2 log, that means that one equal to log 10y, and this one equal to log 10x square, that equal to 2. So that will be log 10y x square, that equal to 2. Okay, now next, as here 2 means 2 into 1, so that's why you can write here also log 10. Okay, so now that equal to log 10y x square, that equal to log 10 square. Now by comparing this both side, you will get y x square equal to 10 square, that means 100. So here y equal to 100 by x square. Sum number 13. Express log 10 2 plus 1 in the form of log 10x. So here log 10 2 and plus 1 means log 10. Okay, so now that equal to, you can write here log 10. Now here 10 into 2, that equal to 20. So the final answer will be log 20. Sum number 14. A square equal to log 10x, b cube equal to log 10y. Okay, and here a square by 2 minus b cube by 3, not 2, b cube by 3, that equal to log 10z. Express z in terms of x and y. So as here a square by 2 and value of a square equal to log 10x, so that will be half into log 10x. Then minus 1 by 3 and b cube means log 10y, that equal to log 10z. So that equal to log 10. Now x half, that means root x. Here log 10 y to the power cube 1 by 3, and that equal to log 10z. So that will be log 10 root x, and it's called cube root. y to the power 1 by 3 means cube root of y, that equal to log 10z. So now from that you can write z equal to root x by cube root of y. Sum number 15. Log m equal to x plus y. Log n equal to x minus y. Express the value of log m square in terms of x and y. So first write down log m square n. Now log m square means log m square plus log n. Okay. Now log m square means 2 log m, and instead of log n write down x minus y. Here 2 into log m means x plus y. So finally 2x plus 2y plus x minus y. So that will be 3x plus y. So 3x plus y is the final answer. Sum number 16. Given that log x equal to m plus n, log y equal to m minus n, express the value of log 10x by y square in terms of m and n. So here log 10x by y square means log 10x minus log y square. Now next one, log 10x. Log 10x means log 10 plus log x, and minus log y square means 2 log y. So here log 10 equal to 1, log x equal to m plus n, and here log y equal to m minus n. So m minus n will be multiplied with minus 2, so it becomes minus 2m plus 2n. Okay, so finally 1, then minus m and plus 3n. That is the answer. Sum number 17. Log x by 2 that equal to log y by 3. Then find the value of y to the power 4 by x to the power 6. So here first log x by 2 equal to log y by 3 by cross multiply. By cross multiply you will get 3 log x, and that equal to 2 log y. Now 3 log x means log x cube, and 2 log y means log y square. So that means by comparing both sides, x cube equal to y square. Now if you squaring both sides, then you will get x cube whole square, that equal to y square whole square. So that equal to x to the power 6, and here y to the power 4. So the final value y to the power 4 by x to the power 6, that equal to 1. Now next one, sum number 18. In sum number 18, solve for x. Here the first problem 18.1, that is log x plus log 5, that equal to 2 log 3. Log x plus log 5, that equal to 2 log 3. You have to find out the value of x here. So here log x equal to, now 2 log 3. 2 log 3 means log 3 square, and that will be minus log 5. Log 3 square means log 9. Log 9 minus log 5. So that will be log x, and here log a minus log b, the formula will be log a by b. So it means 9 by 5. So by comparing both sides, you will get x equal to 9 by 5. Sum number 18.2. Log 3x minus log 3.2, that equal to 1. So here you have to find out the value of log x, x only. So log 3x equal to log 3.2, and here plus 1. Now instead of plus 1, you can write down here log 3.2, and here log 3.3. So that equal to log 3x, and here log 3.2 plus log 3.3, that means log 3, and here 2 into 3, it becomes 6. Okay, so that means by comparing both sides, x equal to 6. Now the next one, sum number 3. In sum number 3, x equal to log 125 by log 25. Now 125 means log 5 to the power cube, and log 25 means 5 to the power 2, that means 5 square. So it will be 3 log 5 and here 2 log 5. So log 5 will be cancelled out, and the final answer 3 by 2. Now the next one, sum number 4. Here in sum number 4, here log 8 by log 2 into log 3 by log root 3, and that equal to 2 log x. Okay, now log 8 by log 2. Log 8 means log 2 to the power cube, that equal to log 2. Here log 3, and log root 3 means half log 3. As 3 means 3 to the power 2, so it will be half log 3. Now here log 2 root 3, that means here 3 log 2. You can directly write down this one, 3 log 2. And here log x square. So log 2 cancel out, log 3 cancel out. So it will be 3 by half, that means 3 into 2. So 3 into 2, therefore 3 into 2, that equal to log x square. Log x square. So that means here 2 log x. Log x square means 2 log x equal to 6. So log x equal to 6 by 2. Log x equal to 6 by 2. That equal to 3. Now 3 means here you can write down here 3 log 10. So that equal to log x log 10 to the power 3. 3 log 10 means 10 to the power 3. Here 3 means 3 into 1. So 3 log 10, that means 10 to the power 3. So here finally x equal to 10 to the power 3, that equal to 1000. Next one, sum number 19. Given 2 log 10 x plus 1, that equal to log 10 250. Then find the value of x. So first you have to find the value of x. So here first one log 10 x square, and that one log 1. Log 1 means log 10 10, and this one equal to log 10 250. Okay, so that equal to log 10 250 will be remain same. So that equal to log 10 x square, x square multiply with 10, that will be 10 x square, and here log 10 250. So by comparing both side, 10 x square equal to 250, then x square equal to 25, and then x equal to 5. So that is the first answer. Now second one, you have to find out log 10 2x, that is the second one. Log 10 2x means log 10. Now 2x, 2 into 5, 2 into 5, so that means log 10 10, so that equal to 1. Now next one, sum number 20. In sum number 20, if log x by log 5 equal to log y square by log 2, that equal to log 9 by log 1 by 3, then find the value of x and y both. So to find out x, you have to take first one and the third one. To find the value of y, you have to take first, second one and the third one. Okay, so that means from the first one, that will be log x by log 5, and that equal to log 9 by log 1 by 3. So that equal to log x equal to here log 9. Log 9 means 3 to the power square, and log 1 by 3. Log 1 by 3 means log 1 minus log 3. Log a by b formula, that into here log 5 as division, so that will be log 5 as multiplication. So it will be 2 log 3, and log 1 means 0. So 0 minus log 3, that means minus log 3 into log 5. So log 3 cancel out, so it will be minus 2 log 5. Now minus 2 log 5 means log 5 to the power 2. So that means log x equal to 5 to the power 2. So here x equal to 5 to the power minus 2, that means 1 by 25. Okay, so 1 by 25 is the value of x. Now you have to find out the value of y also. So log y square by 2, that equal to log 9 by log 1 by 3, that equal to log 9 by log 1 by 3. So here log y square equal to, now log 9 means again 2 log cube, so 2 log 3, so write down 2 log 3, and log 1 by 3 means minus log 3, so that equal to minus log 3 into log 2, so that equal to log 2 to the power minus 2. So here log y square, now y square means 2 to the power minus 2, so y square equal to 1 by 2 to the power square, that means y equal to 1 by 2.